June 12th, flight Air India 171. A routine journey becomes one of India's worst aviation tragedies. Just 32 seconds after takeoff, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner plunged to the ground near Ahmedabad airport, killing 241 of the 242 people on board. The preliminary accident report released by the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau (AAIB) offered few answers, but what it did reveal only deepened the mystery. Fuel supply to both engines were cut off just 3 seconds into the flight, and a puzzling conversation between the pilots. Now, chilling details are emerging from inside the cockpit. A Wall Street Journal report citing sources in the United States with access to the black box claims to fill in some of the blanks left by the AAIB report. The Wall Street Journal article claims it was Captain Sumit Sabharwal who moved the fuel cutoff switches. According to the report, First Officer Clive Kunder was surprised and then panicked. Captain Sabharwal, meanwhile, appeared calm. The journal adds that Kunder, as the pilot actively flying the aircraft, would have had his hands full on the controls, while Captain Sabharwal, as the pilot monitoring, would likely have had his hands free. The AAIB report had noted a tense exchange in the cockpit. One pilot questioned the other about switching off the fuel supply to cut off. The second pilot, unnamed in the official report, denied making the switch. Experts say the switches were moved in deliberate succession, just 1 second apart, a move described as highly unusual, with no clear justification during a standard takeoff.
I would like to condemn, firstly, such reports which are directly bearing an effect on the pilots' fraternity without any evidence whatsoever. The preliminary report nowhere states that the pilots have moved the fuel control switches, and this has been corroborated by the CVR recording.
मुझे लगता है कि उन्होंने जो रिपोर्ट दिया है उसमें सभी ये प्राइमरी बेस पे है। उन्होंने ये भी कहा है उसमें कि ये अंतिम रिपोर्ट नहीं है, इसलिए हम किसी निष्कर्ष पे आना उचित नहीं होगा। ये अंतिम रिपोर्ट जब आएगा तब सब सामने आएगा कि एक्चुअली उसमें क्या रीजन था, क्या कारण था।
Meanwhile, another angle is under investigation. A report by the Indian Express says technical issues were flagged by the crew during the aircraft's previous flight. The AAIB report confirms the crew had entered a pilot defect report in the aircraft's technical log. The report issue: a stabilizer position transducer defect, a fault in the sensor that helps control the aircraft's nose movement. Troubleshooting was conducted as per standard procedure and the aircraft was cleared for service. The Indian Express report goes further. It reveals that the engine indication and crew alerting system had displayed warnings in the days leading up to the crash. In fact, the same aircraft experienced an electrical failure in December 2024, causing a flight cancellation. The report says investigators are now probing whether these incidents point to a larger sensor failure or system malfunction. With questions mounting, Indian and US investigators are now examining 3 critical possibilities. Was it human error, a deliberate act, or a technical failure that caused the switches to move without pilot command? Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.